In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Binance Pool on the Binance app step by step. Whether you're completely new to crypto mining or you already have some experience and want a reliable mining platform, this simple guide will help you get started quickly and correctly so you can begin earning with confidence. First, open your Binance app and log into your account. If you haven't updated the app in a while, make sure you're using the latest version to avoid missing any features. Once you're logged in, go to the main screen and tap on the option labeled More. From here, scroll until you find the option labeled Pool and tap on it. This section is where you'll manage all your mining-related activities, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Next, enter the Binance Pool section and create your mining account if you haven't already. You'll see several options that help you connect and manage your mining setup. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully as Binance guides you through each step in a very user-friendly way. At this stage, you'll need to connect your mining device by entering the required configuration details into your hardware software. This links your device directly to your Binance account. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your mining device is powered on, connected to a stable internet connection, and supports the coin you plan to mine. Also, double-check your worker name, mining address, and pool settings before saving. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent connection errors later. Once your device is connected successfully, choose the cryptocurrency you want to mine, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum POW, or Litecoin. After that, your mining will begin automatically and you'll start generating rewards. Your earnings are credited daily to your Binance Pool wallet, making it easy to track performance, withdraw funds, or reinvest your profits. It's also a good idea to explore the pool savings option, which allows you to earn extra daily interest on your mining rewards. This extra step can help maximize your earnings without any additional effort. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up Binance Pool easily and start mining efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want to start crypto mining. Why not make someone's trading experience safer and stress-free?